Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 7, which is the final question of your assessment paper number 11. Okay, this question is a typical volume question and it's actually pretty simple to do. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. It says the figure shows an empty flower vase of height 35 cm, basically 23 and 12, that's the height. It is made from two containers. One is the top container, which is the form of a cuboid, that means like a rectangular cube, and it has a square base of side 4 by 23 and a height 23, sorry. Okay, the bottom container is in the form of a cube of side 12, which means that 12 by 12 by 12. The question is 2 liters of water is poured into the empty vase. Find the height of the water level from the base of the vase which means that they want you to look for this, how much when the water is being poured in, where does the water level rise? In other words, is it here, 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 wherever it is? Okay, so let's do this step by step. First of all, we're going to explain to you how to do this, okay? So you have 2 liters of water, which actually equals to 2000 cm cubed. And you have to first find out if the water level exceeds or goes above the first container. And what is the volume of the first container? Is 12 by 12 by 12. Okay, let's do that first. And then later on, we find out if it does surpass, how far up does it go here. So first off, let's find out what's the volume of the cube. So volume of cube is actually equals to length times breadth times height. Okay, in this case, they are all 12. 12 times 12 times 12. So I can simply say 12 cube, or 12 times 12 times 12, whichever you prefer. I prefer 12 cube, and that gives me 1728. Okay, let's just check again. 12 cube gives me 1728. So does that mean that the water exceeds? Yes, it does. By how much? Let's find out first. So 2000 minus 1728 will give me 2000 minus 1728 will give me the answer 272 cm squared. Cm cube, sorry. So that's the amount of water that will actually exceed that. But how much is the height that it goes up by? Now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. Okay, do we know what is the breadth of this? Okay, some of you will say no, but actually we do. Take a look at the bottom of the cuboid. It's actually a square. So which means is that if the length is 4 cm, the breadth is also 4 cm. So therefore the base area is actually 4 by 4, which gives me 16 cm squared. How do I find the height if I'm given the volume and the base area? Very simple. Height equals to volume divided by base area. So my volume is 272 and my base area is 4 times 4, or 4 squared. And that will give me 272 divided by 16. And the answer is 17 cm, which means that out of the 23 cm, the water level will rise by to 17 cm. Okay, but is that the answer? No. It said find the height of the water level from the base, which means from the bottom of the vase. So the bottom of the vase is 0. This is 12. So 12 until here is it exceeds the cuboid. So we get 12 plus another extra 17. So the answer is 12 plus 17, which gives me 29 cm. That's the answer. Alright? So again, like I said, this question is very simple. And sometimes the goalkeeper is not as scary. But like I said, just because the goalkeeper is standing in front of you, it doesn't mean you can't score. You can always find a way. Alright, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.